Let's get the first observation regarding the Audi RS6, the ultimate sleeper who can feel your heart shaking. Audi revealed the details of the RS6 Avant on December 5, 2012. The RS6 Avant Performance is powered by the same 4.0-liter TFSI twin-turbo V8 engine as the standard RS6. But with the help of a retuned AQ mapping, it increased power output to 605 PS at 6,800 revolutions per minute. Despite the improved performance, the fuel economy and CO2 are unchanged from the standard RS6 Avant. Dynamic Plus package can accelerate start 0 to 200 meter in 12.7 seconds. A car guy Janne Tiitinen, Finland and Germany post their cars in Instagram, and the most of peoples are very enthusiasm with his modification. Enjoy the video.
Could I